Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some paintings to share with you today from CooDeals. So I have two that are in square and one that's in round. However, you can get any painting in either or. So I like to pick a variety, but you can get either or. I've also just noticed I have this little piggy that's this down as it has a little sticker to say it's a little gift, so I'm going to pop him on my shelf, I think, with my little duck. I don't think this was from CooDeals. Memory is failing me, but anyway, I'm going to start a little farmyard collection up there, and then let's start with this smaller square one. I say smaller, I haven't actually checked. Okay, so I do tend to try and go for the sort of smallest sizes that they offer, so that you can see them at their smallest, and then you can always go bigger and know that you will probably get more detail the bigger that you go. But I do think their smallest sizes that they offer are fair sizes for the images. So this one is a 30 by 40, and that means because of the border, the actual size is 25 centimetres by 35 centimetres. CooDeals are very consistent on their borders, so if you do want a particular size, don't forget to take off your 5 centimetres so that you can fit it into a frame. But this is a beautiful cocktail glass. I think this one is absolutely gorgeous and would very potentially have a place in maybe a little bar if you have one, or your kitchen, just because why not? It has 18 different colours. All of CooDeals kits do come with this, what I call nicer toolkit. So it has a white tray, wax, pen, metal tweezers and baggies. So quite often the very basic kits come with the green trays, which don't really have a spout. These white ones are a little bit nicer. What they also come with is they come with an inventory sheet, which is always nice if you do want to make your own stickers for kitting up, and they tend to use numbers and letters for the symbols. So very easy if, like me, you like to repeat the symbols in your head as you're doing a diamond painting. That can always be helpful. So we have the number on the canvas, so this shows that we have 18 numbers. Then we have the symbol, the DMC colour, how many diamonds, and then the weight in grams. So the one we do have the most of is 3865, 47.1 grams. That is most of your background. But we do have, oh look, see, we've got some absolutely gorgeous pinks, purples, blues, peaches. Very, very nice, vibrant colours for in this one. I'm actually thinking this one might make it into my stash. But anyway, I will decide that. Yeah, I just like it. I think it's just that little bit different. Anyway, there are so many gorgeous paintings out there. I never know which to add to my stash. I keep trying to whittle down my stash, you know, and keep it as just ones I absolutely adore. All the paintings that I unbox, I like. I wouldn't unbox something I don't like. However, there is different levels of like or love. And I've chosen the level of adore, which is right at the top, for the ones that I keep in my stash, because otherwise I get too overwhelmed. But I'm very tempted on this one, just because it's a little bit different to anything else I've got. I don't think it's as girly. I have quite a few other paintings, even from CooDeals as well. But yeah, maybe it's time to have a little revamp and add a few different ones. Anyway, on to painting number 2. This one attracted me because of the colour. I do really enjoy working on paintings with colour, even if I love a painting that's a little bit more subdued. I find the actual process of doing paintings with colour so much fun, so they do always attract me. Now this one is a 35 by 35 centimetres, which means the actual drill area is a true 30 by 30, so it will fit in a 12-inch frame. This one has 27 different colours. It does have 3865 as the background, but then you have all this colour in the lion. You get the nice toolkit, and look, we've got bright pinks, bright orange, bright greens. We've got a few more subdued colours, but look, we've just got gorgeous, very, very vivid colours that are just going to absolutely pop on our beloved tiger. Sorry, not tiger, lion. There is some 310, but that is more around the nose. There's a little bit around the eye, and then there's a little bit to bring definition to these different sort of locks of hair, I would say, locks of coloured hair on our lion. So it's definitely scattered throughout and will really help those colours to pop, but it's not a full outline, it's more the shadows that the locks cause than an actual outline around the whole edge. So that is Mr. Lion. I got that one in round. And then this next one is also a 35 by 35. This one is a bit more, going a bit more towards the subdued. Got a bit more of a sort of stained glass look as well. There are a lot of images with a sort of stained glass look. Some very much stained glass, but some just the look of it. This seems to have more the look of it in the background, more so, but I think it gives that skyline a different kind of look. This one actually has 29 colours. We're still just using letters and numbers, not quite hit enough colours to end up with other symbols in there. There is quite a bit of 3865. There is a little bit of 310, which gives us the bottom of this boat, but not too much. We have, yeah, a fairly big bag of 3865, but I can't, oh, 310 is a tiny little bag down here, so we've not got a lot of that at all. Got some greys, blues, mustard colours, a few more different blues, of course, for the sail primarily. There is a little bit of blue in the sky, but quite a lot of it is here. And then of course we've got these gorgeous brighter colours for the sunset and the reflection of the sunset off the water. And you do of course get your inventory sheet all in there as well. So they're the three that I chose for today. So they attract me for different reasons. Some of them, it's the image I love. Some of them, it's the pop of colour and the fun while doing it. But I will pop links to each of these individual ones down below. Of course, feel free to go and have a browse. And you can get any of these in round or square. And you can get them bigger if you want them bigger. Say one of the nice things is that they do actually make your order when you place it, so you may be able to see it's got RW, my initials, at the top. This is actually number 6 because I do get 2 months worth of unboxings at one time. So this is actually painting number 6. And they have printed this because I've ordered it, which is fantastic for them being able to give you all those different size options and both the round and the square options. They can make the canvas to order and then pull the diamonds together to go with. But yeah, they are the paintings for today, and of course my little squishy pig, which does squeak. Try not to squeak that too much, Luna will be trying to get it. But yeah, thank you ever so much for joining and for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.